Hello, parents. I'm Chak sa video na. Ye video de exercise 6p triangles class 10 ni question number 3 aru ni jamano question number 4 ko solve kariyan. Dari question number 3 ko ni aching na. In the figure triangle ABC. Yan ongjok triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is such that BD by DC equal to AB by AC. BD by DC equal to AB by AC. Angle B on swaha 70 degree. Angle C on aha 50 degree. Find angle BAD. You know the angle BAD kom na again. Mana de angle BAD. Angle BAD. Mana de ya angle. Ya angle 1. Angle 1 you know mention kaha. Angle 1 kom na again. Daw de question mention kaha BD by DC equal to AB by AC. Dige ongen semua de marakana ya condition satisfy ongode AD era angle A ni bisector onga. Ikon banu jana pana theorem 3 anga seta ha question diko sijane anga ino mashi chinagata nasimang mashi chinagata iko seta hane theorem 3 ko porana nangen na theorem 3 ko poraibo inode ya yara maiko muksongya iko mashi gene theorem 3 o agana ni kita de BD by DC equal to AB by AC ongen semua de AD yara ongjok angle A ni bisector ongya mana de ichibak angle A ko half kainga ne half kainga ichibak half kainga ya angle A ko to then I ko again since BD by DC is equal to AB by AC, therefore AD is the bisector of angle A. The shanga jana pa ha ya condition satisfy wang ode AD era bisector of angle A unga jekon theorem 3 jana pa. Dari meraken angle B ko masya angle C ko masya khali angle A ko masya. Ini man angle A ko amna nanggen maya phangchake amgen na angle sum property of phangchake angle sum property. Now there now angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to the angle sum property of phangchake triangle ni angle ke tham ne angle A angle B aru angle C ko plus kawde phangnan paitang urwana 180 degree ye hore anchang class 9 o pore ba mana ha. And this implies the angle A ko de masija ini man by say again angle A plus angle B by ton swana angle B 70 degree plus angle C de betana 50 degree. This is equal to 180 degree. And this implies angle A equal to Chakashio. This is equal to 180 degree. Digimna 70 plus 50 kaude betong yachum 120 degree. Tadi equal Chakashibak ship kangs kabo ino betong unok minus 120 degree. This is equal to tadi 180 unico 120 ko minus katode 60 degree ongya. Tadi am masih hai angle A 60 degree. Dari makna angle A ko half kanan again. Inon jana paha AD is the bisector of angle A. Tadi ya angle A ko ya AD bisect kang ode ichibak half ongya. Tadi angle A ra 60 degree ong ode angle BAD de angle A ni half ongya ne. Ya angle BAD yerong jok angle A ni half angle 1. Ini man therefore angle BAD yerong jok half of angle A. So this is equal to patana angle A ra 60 degree divided by 2. Tadi ya 60 ni half te betana 30 degree. Tadi am masih angle BAD this is equal to 30 degree. Number 4. In the figure, AE is the bisector of exterior angle CAD intersecting BC produced in E. If AB equal to 10 cm, AC equal to 6 cm, and BC equal to 12 cm, find CE. You know, ये figure ko salah ha. तो ये AE rongjok या line segment AE ya rongjok angle CAD iko bisect kainga digemna AB ni measurement khonso ha 10 cm ya AB di 10 cm EC di 6 cm BC di 12 cm digemang CE by tau kham nagdanangin kan ha find CE ya CE by tau kham masija kham nagdanangin digemna theorem 5 ko jakalgen tore theorem 5 po phangchakke I know since AE is the bisector of exterior angle CAD. Tadi ya AE rongjok exterior angle CAD ni bisector 1 ni gaman. Merakana ya rongjok external exterior angle CAD ne exterior angle CAD ko ya AE bisect kaungode ini condition ra mai kungena BE by CE equal to AB by AC diungen BE by CE is equal to AB by AC and this implies that the BE could make it again BE de BC plus CE that the BC rongjok 12 cm CE could masija ini mana again 12 plus CE divided by CE is equal to AB de 10 AC de 6 and this implies the cross multiply kaude bedang unok 6 into 12 kaude 72 6 into CE de 6 CE is equal to the cross multiply kaude CE into 10 de 10 CE and this implies the given 72 ko ino donor ko de 10 CE jakra rongsunge 6 CE ko right side chirang de minus 6 CE and this implies tawde yako ichibak again left side to yako de right side chises again tawde 10 CE minus 6 CE ongode betong unok 4 CE is equal to 72 and this implies CE is equal to 72 ya 4 ko cross kair ababo de 72 by 4 tawde ko 2 she cancel ka ode 2 ara but the times ongya 36 times de 2 times so 2 ara 36 de beta 18 times so this implies CE is equal to betong na 18 centimeter